In this question, like we need to factorize. So first term is like 5. First part is 4p square minus 9q square. So we can write it like this: 2p whole square minus 3q whole square, and that can be written as 2p minus 3q and 2p plus 3q. So these two are the factors of the first part. Second part, like we have 63 a square minus 112 b square. So let's, because both of these terms have 7 common, so let's keep 7 outside, and that will be 9a square minus 16 b square. So basically that will give us 3a whole square minus 4b whole square. So it will be 3a plus 4b and 3a minus 4b. So these three terms are 7, 3a plus 4b and 3a minus 4b. These are the factors of the second part. For the third part, we have 49 x square minus 36. So that will be 7x plus c and 7x minus c. So these are the two factors of the third part. For the fourth part, we have 16 x raised to power 5 and minus 144 x raised to power 3. Okay, so let's keep like x square out, x cubed outside. That will give us 16 x square and minus 144. Yeah, so x cubed 4x whole square minus 12 whole square. So that will give us x cubed multiplied by 4x plus 12 and 4x minus 12. We can also like keep 4 outside, so that will be 16 x cubed multiplied by x plus 3 and x minus 3. So these 4s are like these three terms are like basically factors of the fourth part. So let's solve the fifth part. So we have L plus M whole square minus L minus M whole square. So we can write it like this: L plus M plus L minus M, and that will be L plus M minus L minus M. So here we will get like M n is 2L, and that multiply with here, like when we solve this, we will get 2M because L and L will cancel. So we'll get 4 times L multiplied by M. So these are the factors of the fifth term. The sixth term, we have n 9 x square y square minus 16. So we can write it like this: 3xy whole square minus 4 whole square. So it will give us 3xy plus 4 and 3xy minus 4. So these are the two factors of sixth part. The seventh part, we have x square minus 2xy plus y square and minus z square. Okay, so here let's solve this expression first in the bracket. So it will give us x minus y whole square and z square. And now let's solve this: x minus y plus z and x minus y minus z. So these two are the factors of the seventh part. For the eighth part, we have 25 a square minus 4b square plus 28 bc minus 49 c square. So this can be solved like this. We club these terms and these terms separately. So we have 5a whole square, and this will be 4b square minus 28 bc, and it will be plus 49 c square, and this will give us 5a whole square minus, and this will be 4b square minus 28 bc plus 49 c square. C square will give us 2b minus 7c whole square. So this will be 2b minus 7c whole square. So it is the form of the a square minus b square. So let's solve this: 5a and 5a plus 2b minus 7c, and second term is 5a minus 2b plus 7c. So these are the two factors of the eighth part.